In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into MetaTrader 5. Alright, so first and foremost, you need to have a real MetaTrader account linked with a broker. So when you are putting money into MetaTrader 5, it's all actually being done through the broker and not directly on MetaTrader. However, when we are on MetaTrader, what you want to do is use the shortcut Ctrl+N to open up the navigator. And in the navigator, you're going to see the payments option. And that'll bring you to the screen here. And now you want to click on deposit to account. Now, depositing methods are going to differ based on what broker you are using. So choose whichever one suits you. Put in the deposit amount and the currency, as well as your email address. And notice that there will be different fees involved for different payment methods. And then just hit continue. Now, after hitting continue, you will be redirected to the payment screen and you'll see your order number, and it usually starts with MT5. And now you can put in, again, depending on your payment method, your card number and card details, or whatever payment option you use details, and hit pay. Now, once the payment method and payment is approved by the broker, then and only then will your specific amount be credited to your account as a balance. And that is it, guys. So just keep in mind you have to have connected to MetaTrader 5 through your broker in order to do this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.